Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an overhauled file. So this the earlier version was a bit messy, but and now this is being a bit solved, and this is the second version of the input database. So here you can select the weapon, and the drop downs are already pre-filled from the raw data. The yellow cells are all the input cells. If there is any cell which is mandatory to push this value into the database, uh, then that will become red. So if any value missing will get highlighted with the red. So all the inputs are on the left side, manual inputs, and all the rights are on the right side from here. Vendor prices till vendor price total. These are all calculated or automatic fields. So you have to fill all the yellow ones. To select a particular employee, once it's cleared, you need to select employee 2, then select the whole column and press Control D, and this will get filled with the employee you want to select. Or the other question I can do is that I can leave this to be get cleared. Okay, having said that, let me show you a process. So there will not be any multiple buttons. There will be only one button to push this value into the database. And if, as I said earlier, that anything missing will get turned red and will left in this sheet as it is. So you can see these all the entries are getting pushed into the database, and these are left alone. So here are our new entries in here, which seems quite fine. Now let's go to the dashboard. So I have added this extra chart in the dashboard. I don't know what exactly you are looking to plot. So what I did so far is that I have added a sheet with the dashboard data. Here I can delete all these because these are just to test it. So for the dashboard, there will be a control button in here. So this is basically employee name. So you can select any of the employee name, and this chart will get updated with that employee detail, whatever the details are present in the database, which is in sales log. So if the employee is present in this sheet, any data available in this name against this name will get pulled and will get plotted as well. As you can see, if there are so many entries, like it is basically plotting all the items. Let me stretch it. So now you can see, just because of the formatting of the file. So you can see now it's plotting the items one by one, and all the price, quantity, and the total price are being plotted in here. So in order to plot so many entries in this chart, we have to stretch it horizontally so that you can see it more better. And the other thing is that if you don't want to see it in chart but the numbers only, we can always plot like these two ways. We can always plot these values in these cells, or we can plot these scorecards, which are almost similar: price, quantity, and total. Price, total, and the quantity. So we can plot either with the chart or within the cells. So both ways, it looks elegant, but actually it requires what is your requirement, what you exactly you want to see, and what control you want to have on, like you want to have a control on the employee name or the customer name or the item or whatever. So in the next setting we can discuss this, and we can accordingly move forward with that. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance on that. Take care. Bye.